Today's video is sponsored by RoyalTHairCare. Introduce yourself to luxury with our 5-part Mega Growth System, consisting of our shampoo and conditioner set, foaming wrap mousse, edge control, and our best-selling stimulating growth oil. The link is in the bio. Welcome back, Royals, to our House to Home Update series. So I took a little hiatus from all of the home updates since, I believe, right before Christmas, because I knew with the holiday season, nothing was going to get done as it related to home repairs. So we stopped midway, got a good amount of it done, but there were still some things around the house that we wanted to update and bring it up to a more modern look and feel. The space I'm in today, I am so excited to be updating this space, or shall I say re-updating this space for just my own aesthetic pleasures, I shall say. So I have done a previous little DIY on this countertop. This is a tile countertop, which was really popular 20 plus years ago. Our home is an older home we bought, and we knew that we wanted to do some updates when we moved in. First thing first I wanted to change was the countertop. But here we are a year and some months later, and it hasn't been changed. So my love and I went back and forth about a couple of options for this countertop. Given the size of the kitchen, there's not much we can do to change the layout, so our only option is to update. And we know that this is not our forever home, but we still want to make it aesthetically pleasing and functional for us while we are here. And we tried the peel and stick tile. It was a no-go for me because water seeped under it. It was a moisture thing and I just wasn't feeling it. However, the backsplash was amazing, but because of the changes I'm going to make today, I knew that I was going to have to change both of them. So we're going to go with probably the most cost-effective way to update them. I really wanted to do the epoxy, but that's just not an option for me at this point. So we're going to take a stab at the epoxy paint and just give this countertop a nice, crisp, clean, white update. I purchased the paint from Amazon, some supplies from Dollar Tree, and we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna sand it down, get it painted, and get this kitchen just nice and fresh, because I did love the look of the white tile with the white countertops. And because it's tile, I couldn't do the the adhesive over it, because you saw the ridges. And once we compared the cost of doing the the epoxy countertop core, we may as well go ahead and upgrade to a stone. And we're not quite ready to make that investment yet, so the next most feasible option is the epoxy paint. So without any further ado, let's roll up our sleeves and let the house to home updates begin.
Takers and givers, I've been caught the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset, takers, givers, I've been caught the latter, get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial.
Everything has been removed, and so now let's go over the details. I'm using screwdrivers to remove the plates, a 220 grade sander, the Rust-Oleum epoxy tile paint, picked up a little paint kit from Dollar Tree. I'm using Glue Gun and Dawn degreaser to remove any debris or film from the previous peel and stick tile. So let's get into it.
Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah. Peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like day, life savings, next era unlocked. And I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new? But this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Reset. It ain't nothing. No, me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reset.
Get out the way, who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building buyers with my friends.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo.
Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me.
12, 11, 10, 9.
Ain't that I'ma make you
Wait for it. On my time.
Yeah, I'ma make you
Pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. My time, my time.
Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing.
You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo.
My rules, big moves.
Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo.
Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me.
5, 4, 3, 2.
I want, I'ma make you
Wait for it.
on my time. Yeah, I'ma make you
Pay for it.
on my time.
My time, my time. My time, my time.
Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time.
I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked, don't make a sound. Don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space, there's no cheaters allowed. I gave you my word. Try it again, you're gonna lose your girlfriend. The nerve to think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Watch me. Cold-blooded. way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that other whole side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me cry. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word. Try it again, I'll put you on a bench. Do not disturb. To think I used to dream of being your wife. Cold-blooded. Boy, I'm cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. All this blue.
All right, Royal. So if the dance doesn't indicate I am a happy girl, after 2 coats of this Rust-Oleum epoxy paint, what I get is a beautiful, crisp, clean, refreshed countertop and backsplash. It is absolutely beautiful. Is it my number one choice? No, but sometimes you have to work with what you got until you can get what you want. And so this is definitely going to suffice until we do the additional or upgrade to a stone and a full kitchen overhaul. But right now this is absolutely doing what I need it to do. It's crisp, it's clean, it's white, it has a beautiful gloss to it, which gives it a tile look and feel. I'm so pleased with this. It's definitely going to create a blank canvas or a clean blank canvas for me to style for any season, in any style, any color scheme that I desire. So if you are looking for a way to do a feasible update to your kitchen space, consider painting your tiles and backsplash. Definitely makes a difference.
Time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100. Tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family enables weakness. And
If this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and like what you see, I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And I would love to have you come along and be a part of this Royal journey with me. Now, to my tried and true and my brand new boos, you guys already know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Guys, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Guys, I want you to hit those notification bells, click them twice so that you always know when I upload new content. This House to Home series is underway and I am excited about it. I have tons of changes, and I do mean tons. And I want you guys to come along and see all of the updates we're making in this space to create and transition this house into our home. Until the next video, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and until you click on again, have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.